All right, we got Rain and Sorrow up next. Dysth3mia, live on the USA bus. Link to the original is down in the scripts box. Let's go.
One, two, three, four.
Wish 1075.
You are a warning sign, telling me to not get close. But I never read the lights, saying don't you overdose. 3 taps of sleeping melatonin pills don't work. Go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill order. I'm altered.
Yeah. All right. See, here's the thing with her, though. I'm about to tell you what I think she's talking about, but here's the thing with her. She could be talking about something completely different. I think she's talking about the warning labels or the prescription labels on prescription bottles. Most people, well, not most people, a lot of people don't read them. They just take them things as they want, and they don't follow the instructions. They ignore the warning signs. They ignore the warning labels. Now, I think that's what she's talking about. But like I said, sometimes with her, she could be talking about something completely different. You got to dig deep into her lyrics, man. She drops some deep lyrics. Raining Sorrow is the perfect name for her. She's always coming with some deep ass lyrics, and you gotta dissect that shit sometimes and figure out what she's actually talking about. But I'll say it again. I think she's talking about the prescription labels. Let's go.
Might as well go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill order. I'm altered. Tapping on this glass window, I'm breaking every single rule that I was supposed to follow.
Yeah, see?
3 solid voices.
You get a prescription, and you're supposed to follow the instructions. You're supposed to follow them things, or you might end up overdosing or something. You know, you're supposed to follow them things. They're on there for a reason.
On this glass window, I'm breaking every single rule that I was supposed to follow.
Woo!
3 solid voices break me out of my sanity. They know my sorrow. One step, 2 step, 3 step 4. I'm wondering what this door is for. We're breaking out of our.
The way she just delivered that was on time with that beat she's got on there. Hold on a second.
1 step, 2 step, 3 step 4. I'm wondering what this door is for. We're breaking out of our world. Just let me out. I'm gonna curl. Voices are making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty.
Ooh.
An illusion made.
Damn.
Mine came up with too precise.
Wish exclusive.
Inside this religion, my loved ones came up with to not die. The key was kicked inside the locked door. Now we can't go in there anymore. I'm here falling apart into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really wanna.
Are you paying attention, man? Are you paying attention to what you're watching right now? This girl's only gonna get better. She's changing her pitch up. She's changing up how she's delivering it. She's actually like almost like she's rapping. She's kind of delivering her lyrics on beat. This shit is crazy. Hold on a second.
I'm here falling apart into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really wanna die, but it's actually getting tiring to think of a next morning. One step, two step, three step, four. I'm
See that shit?
what this story's for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out. I'm gonna hurl voices. I'm making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. Want more problems than honesty. You take everything we say and make it seem like we're two-faced, but all you're doing is making our thoughts a reality. I know that I'm not okay, but it's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of suicidal thoughts and cruel sights. 4 step, 3 step, 2 step, 1.
And these are some deep lyrics. I ain't gonna lie, these are some hella deep lyrics. She's talking about her her mental state, medicating to control her mental state. And as she's medicating to control all that, she's disregarding the warning labels on the scripts. Yeah, Rainy Sorrow is the perfect name for her. It's always got some deep lyrics with her. Hey, read between the lines, man.
But it's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of suicidal thoughts and cruel sights. 4 step, 3 step, 2 step, 1. I'm waiting till the sun's. We can all just
breathe.
watch and learn as the world collapses in and burns.
On Wish.
Dissipating all degrading thoughts while I'm disintegrating. No thoughts head empty is a way to die without feeling a thing.
1075.
Breathe. You deserve that. Breathe.
Hey Wishers, this is Raining Sorrow. For more Wish-exclusive videos,
Click right here.
Click 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 here. Click here. Click here. Click here.
click here to subscribe.
Wow, look. For somebody as young as her to come with some lyrics like that is crazy impressive. I am not gonna lie, cause like I said, to me, she was talking about medicating for her mental state. That's to me. That's what, but ignoring the instructions on the warning on the prescription bottles. And, a lot of people do that. They just take them, whenever. It's a mistake. You can end up doing all kinds of damage to yourself. But I'm gonna be honest though too. She could also be talking about something completely different, knowing her, because her lyrics a lot of times will have multiple meanings. You gotta dissect that shit. Link to the result is down in the description box. I'm out.